Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is lovebirds. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is Europe. Can you decode this movie character? Answer is Aquaman. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is Tennessee. What's this puzzle saying? This is very easy. Love at first sight. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is tulips. Can you decode this puzzle? Double agent. Can you guess this correctly? This is quite tricky. Answer is ready or not. Can you guess this correctly? Right under the nose. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is good looking. Can you guess this correctly? This is very easy. Robin Hood. What's this puzzle saying? Coffee break. What's this puzzle saying? Did you guess correctly? Made in China. What's this puzzle saying? History repeat itself. What's this puzzle saying? This is very easy. Answer is high table. What's this puzzle saying? Decorate. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is idea. What's this puzzle saying? No one understand me. What's this puzzle saying? Horsepower. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is hot coffee. What's this puzzle saying? Turn over new leaf. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is watermark. What's this puzzle saying? Penny for your thought. What's this puzzle saying? Last man standing. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is forfeit. Please like, share, comment your score and subscribe.